This is a Samsung dryer heating element unit, a can with the heating element on the inside, the exterior can, and your thermostat and fuse here. Okay, the bad news is when you go to turn on your Samsung dryer, it tumbles, but you get no heat. The good news is this is a common problem with Samsungs, and we can fix this really quick. You can do this at home yourself, so stay tuned. We'll break it down on how to repair this heating element, how to break down your Samsung dryer, take out the old heating element and install the new one. Get out and get some, people. It's a beautiful day.
Roger, YouTube. Target acquired. Over.
So before I go to the customer's house, I'm going to install a new heating element inside this can, and it'll save me time. The old burnt out heating element is inside the middle of this can. In order to remove it, we first have to disassemble this can by removing quite a few screws. With Samsung heating elements, the two male ends of the power connection slide through this white ceramic piece and are held in place by two tiny bent metal tabs. We need to straighten those metal tabs back and then slide the male end through the ceramic piece. Now we can completely open the can. And in the middle here you can see the burnt out old heating element. Here you can see the part number for the heating element. There's a link in the description below. You just click on that and you can purchase it on Amazon.com. Please hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, and there's a thank you button down below that you can tip me in proportion to the value you got out of this. So if you saved $250 by not calling a repair guy, then maybe you can buy me a beer, tip me $3, or if you're feeling really generous, throw me a 20. Get out and get some, people. It's a beautiful day. When putting the new heating element inside the can, you need to align the screw holes. Sometimes they don't immediately align and you have to bend the can. Don't be shy about this, just bend it until they match up. You won't break it. After securing the new heating element inside the can, you have to slide the two male power connectors back through the white ceramic piece and then take the tiny tabs and then bend them at a right angle to prevent those two male ends from sliding back through and into the can. When installing the new heating element, we need to first unplug the machine to avoid electrocution. I find assembling and disassembling appliances a zen-like experience. So I'll keep my mouth shut and let you just follow along and only speak up when absolutely necessary. When removing the dryer belt, you have to do it by feel since you can't see it. Reach your hands inside, and with your right hand, just move the tensioner pulley towards your left hand, and that'll release the tension from the belt. Once the tension is off the belt, you can take your left hand and pull the belt off the drive shaft pulley. Finally, you can see the old heating element here. Confirm that the heating element is bad by setting your multimeter to tone. Take the red and black end, first test them, there is a tone, then connect them to the heating element. If you don't have a tone, there's a broken line somewhere within the heating element and it's bad. Here you hear a tone, here you don't. Connect it to the body to make sure there's not a short. Then connect it to the fuses to make sure they're good. Before disconnecting the power lines from the heating element, it's a good idea to take a picture to remember which wires go where. When removing the wires, use a flathead screwdriver and gently pry them free. Don't tug too hard on pulling them. I've once broken a spade off and it wasn't fun fixing it. So just take your time and use a flathead and pry them off. Installing the new heating element is simple. Just slide it into place and just nail that screw back in. Reconnect the wires in the same order you found them. Refer to the photograph you took before you disconnected them if you need to. When done reassembling the machine, plug it in. And then what I'm doing here is I'm opening the door and I'm holding the door switch with my thumb, so when I turn it on, I can feel to confirm that the heat is actually working. Successful mission. Now remember, there's a link down below where you can purchase the heating element, the thermostats, and fuses all in one bundle. Click on that, it'll take you right to Amazon. And I put the reassembly and fast forward here at the end. So if you're enjoying watching this, just let it ride out. It's kind of fun to watch. Get out and get some, people. It's a beautiful day.